So we are going to add the buildings in our game. So just drag that building here and put it here, and just to make a little bit something more interesting, just go here, just in building, make a new 3D object with the name of cube. A cube is created here, and just select that cube here, and just make an cube in the blue angle Z angle, make it 100, and we're going to place our buildings with that space. You can see we're going to use as a scale. Now we're going to make it 90 degree, 90 5 angle 90. Just put it from here, and also check the 3.9. Its y value is 3.9. Just make it 3.9 to set it properly. It is a little bit upside down. We're going to make it down, yeah, like that. We're going to also make it a little bit forward, like here, and just drag it up. So that is our second building is attached. Now just add that big building here. Just go and search and make the position of 90 degree on y angle, and just go make it forward, backward, sorry, little bit backward. Okay, just do that like that, a little bit down, and let's make a little bit down here. Just do that. Okay, and so this is our building. Third building is ready, and we're going to use a small building, that one at the end of the, make it also in 90 degree. So let's just do that in here, and make sure it is on the same spot. Let's just change the position of that cube.